Starship, breakthrough spacecraft, key to a new era of space exploration. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Elon Musk Signal channel. Today, we are diving into Starship, the ambitious spacecraft of billionaire Elon Musk and SpaceX, deemed as the key to unlocking a new era of space exploration. Starship's goal extends beyond just sending humans to Mars. It's also poised to participate in the Artemis mission, which aims to return American astronauts to the moon after more than 50 years. Recently, NASA officially revealed the design of Starship, unveiling impressive details about this colossal cargo ship. In this video, let's explore what makes Starship special and how it will contribute to Artemis's mission of returning humans to the moon. Hot news for space enthusiasts. NASA has officially unveiled the design of SpaceX's Starship lunar lander, marking a crucial step towards returning humans to the moon after over 5 decades. This milestone brings NASA closer to its ambitious goal of returning to the moon within the next few years. Have you ever been fascinated by modern spacecraft designs in science fiction movies? Now, that's becoming a reality with Starship. Starship, SpaceX's cargo spacecraft, not only boasts an eye-catching futuristic appearance, but is also packed with cutting-edge technology. It embodies SpaceX's leading-edge technology with its aerodynamic design and advanced features, transforming Starship into an impressive warrior poised to conquer the moon. This marks a significant leap in our ability to explore our celestial neighbor in the sky. The journey to conquer the moon is fraught with challenges and issues that humans need to solve. Now, the race to conquer the moon has been reignited with the participation of new players like China, India, and Japan. However, the United States remains at the forefront of this race, especially with the support of pioneering companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin. This competition promises to drive technological innovation and bring humanity closer to the grand goal of exploring the vast universe. According to the initial plan, SpaceX's Starship HLS version will transport astronauts to the lunar surface. However, another crucial element of SpaceX's lunar landing is the Starship cargo lander. The Starship HLS version, a silent sibling, plays a pivotal role in this mission. The mission of Starship HLS is to transport and safely land crewed exploration vehicles on the rugged terrain of the moon. Imagine a giant, powerful machine carrying brave explorers through challenging journeys to set foot on new lands. Starship HLS is the bridge that brings this extraordinary vision to life. On January 9th, NASA unveiled a blockbuster announcement for its ambitious moon mission. 2 human landing system contractors, SpaceX and Blue Origin, have been tasked with designing the next-generation spacecraft capable of transporting massive cargo. NASA has a bold vision, establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon by the 2030s. To achieve this goal, they need to efficiently and cost-effectively transport large quantities of supplies, equipment, and vehicles to the lunar surface. NASA aims for a spacecraft capable of carrying a minimum of 10 tons of cargo per launch, doubling the current capability. Thanks to technological breakthroughs from SpaceX and Blue Origin, the dream of transporting massive cargo to the moon will soon become a reality. This ambitious mission opens the door to a new era of space exploration, promising countless new discoveries about our mysterious celestial neighbors in the sky. Notably, this silent sibling is planned for deployment even before Artemis 7. NASA plans to develop cargo versions based on the human landing system being developed for Artemis 3, 4, and 5, saving costs and time. The main modifications will focus on adapting the lander to accommodate cargo interfaces and deployment mechanisms, excluding life support systems for astronauts. Essentially, the Starship cargo lander will undergo relatively few changes compared to the crewed version. It will still feature cargo doors designed to open and deploy goods, but may be expanded slightly to accommodate larger payloads, such as exploration vehicles. Additionally, the Starship cargo lander will maintain a similar elevator system to the Starship HLS. This system will play a crucial role in deploying exploration vehicles from the lander to the lunar surface, traversing a significant distance. SpaceX's Starship is evaluated to have higher cargo transportation capabilities than Blue Origin's Blue Moon. the Blue Moon Mark 1, introduced last October, can only carry 1 or 2 self-driving vehicles instead of the planned 3. However, Blue Origin still believes that Blue Moon can transport 3 tons of cargo anywhere on the moon, meeting NASA's requirements. However, Starship still faces a major challenge, safely landing on the challenging lunar surface. The moon is dotted with deep pits that pose hidden traps for Starship. With sensor eyes and radar brains, Starship can detect and avoid these pits, landing on flat terrain. Furthermore, maintaining balance during landing is crucial. Many recent landers like Japan's Slim and the US's Nova C have encountered issues due to imbalance. Landing Starship is even more challenging due to its enormous size, 50 meters tall, 9 meters diameter, and the harsh conditions on the moon, such as extremely low temperatures, 240 degrees, that can damage electronics and rugged terrain. Landing mistakes could lead to mission failure. To minimize risks, SpaceX needs to focus on developing reliable landing legs for Starship. The main highlight of Starship lies in its upgraded, super powerful engine system, enabling this space-conquering machine to achieve extraordinary speed and power. However, to successfully accomplish these ambitious missions, Starship needs not only a powerful engine system, but also precise and reliable positioning. The effectiveness of the upgraded positioning system will be more clearly evaluated in upcoming landing tests, especially when SpaceX tests landing Starship with the gigantic Super Heavy booster rocket. The perfect synchronization of these two systems will transform Starship into an incredibly flexible and powerful space-conquering machine. It can take humans anywhere in the solar system, from Mars and Jupiter to the most distant asteroids. When we talk about Starship, we often think about its ability to transport advanced rovers for exploring the moon. However, the potential of this spacecraft far exceeds imagination. In addition to transporting the mentioned rovers, the Starship cargo lander can deploy another type of rover developed by one of the 3 groups selected by NASA: Intuitive Machines, Lunar Outpost, and Venturi Astrolab. This rover will be used by Artemis astronauts to explore the lunar South Pole starting from 2030. NASA's Artemis program is making significant strides in returning humans to the moon by 2025. An essential part of this plan is deploying the Lunar Terrain Vehicle, LTV, to the lunar surface before the Artemis 5 crew arrives in 2030. The LTV acts as a trailblazer, paving the way for future astronauts by exploring terrain, establishing infrastructure, and collecting valuable scientific data. With its flexible mobility across all terrains, the LTV can explore dangerous or inaccessible areas beyond human reach. The good news is that the goal of deploying the LTV to the moon before 2030 may be pushed forward thanks to SpaceX's active involvement. This private spaceflight company is developing Starship, a transport system capable of swiftly and efficiently delivering the LTV to the moon. In the coming years, SpaceX and Starship will face many challenges. Alongside the critical mission of returning humans to the moon after decades, SpaceX is also preparing for large-scale cargo transport missions. These activities reflect humanity's steadfast determination to establish a long-term presence on the moon. With this ambitious mission promising to open new doors for science and space exploration, let's continue to follow SpaceX in their next steps and hope for a future where humans can conquer the moon. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more exciting information about space vehicles and technologies. See you in the next video.